Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and add the glitch flicker effect onto your CapCut clips. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Now we're going to go to Effects, Video Effects, and then Nightclub, and it's going to be the first effect that you see in the Nightclub category. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're going to bring it up close to the beginning of the clip and then elongate it to the end of the clip. And now we can go up to special effects and mess with the strength, the glow, and the speed. You guys can play around with it and see what fits your needs best. So let's take a look at it. I'd say that's a pretty cool effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.